In this video, I'm going to show you how you can overlay videos in Filmora video editor. So if you go ahead and overlay a video, it means you want 2 or more video clips to play in the same video. To do that, it is quite simple. Just follow these simple instructions and you'll be able to overlay your videos. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I'd like to go ahead and do 2 things. One, I'll want to crop this video so that I only show this part, and then go ahead and resize it and move it on the right corner here so that they play along each other. To do so, it is quite simple. First, go ahead and click on the video that you want to overlay. So if you have 2 videos, go ahead and add the first video, that is main video, on the first timeline, and then the second video that you want to overlay or to crop as the second video on the second timeline, as you can see here. So we want to overlay this clip here. Now go ahead and click on it, and the first thing I'm going to do is to crop it because it is too big. So in your case, if you don't want to crop it, maybe you just want to resize it, it is still okay. You can just go ahead and click on it and resize the video. But for my case, I would like to go ahead and crop it first. So to crop it, I'll go ahead and click on this crop icon here, and then I'll have to go ahead and identify the section that I want to play. So you can use this option. Alternatively, you can just use this ratio option here and then select square. So I'll go ahead and select the part that I want to play, and here we go. Right, I want that section only. Now I'll click on apply to have only that section. But now if I go ahead and play, you can see it covers almost the whole video. So to scale it down or to resize it, just go ahead and resize it by clicking on the video you want to resize and then resize it. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and click on these settings here and then go ahead and scale it up or down the way you want, like that. So for my case, that is the perfect size. Now we have to go ahead and change the location or place it where we want to overlay. So I'll go ahead and move it on the corner here, and that's where it should rest, and then I'll scale it like that. And now if we go ahead and play the whole video, you can see we have now 2 videos playing alongside each other without any problem. So that's how you can overlay your videos on InShot by following these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.